Today I'm gonna learn and solve this Rubik's Cube well under 2 minutes. Hey yo guys, my name is Shanth. Today I'm gonna learn and solve this Rubik's Cube well under 2 minutes.
The method which I have learned has about 8 steps. First step is to make a daisy. Second step is to create a white cross. Third step is to solve the bottom layer. Fourth step is to solve the second layer. Fifth step is to create the yellow cross. Sixth step is to solve the yellow face. Seventh step is to position the corners. Eighth step is to position the edges and the cube is done.
Day 1, hour 0.
This was for the first time in my life I was ever trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I was very much excited to learn this. With the help of the video, I managed to do it in 28 minutes and 28 seconds.
I did it!
After several hours of practice, I was able to do it under 5 minutes.
4 minutes 55 seconds.
From here, the time consumption gradually decreased.
Oh, 4 minutes 18 seconds. Oh my god. 3 minutes 43 seconds. Three minutes 37 seconds. Woo! Yes!
And finally, I did it under 2 minutes.
Oh yes! Yes! 1 minute 59 seconds. 1 minute 10 seconds.